Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the soft soap, milk, and golden honey. Yeah, so this is a really, really nice soft soap. I really like this soap. I've been using soft soap with different flavors for quite a few months now. I used to use a different kind until I found this. This is very economical. I really like it a lot. This is my favorite fragrance of the soft soap. There's several different kinds, but something about this golden honey, it just does it for me. I don't know what it is, but it has this sweet kind of, I don't know, very pleasant smell. I smell this also when it almost smells like a fabric softener, but sweeter than that. It's hard to describe, but it's really soft. It's really nice. Gets your hands very clean. I mean, besides the smell, it really does a good job on your hands as far as if you have a lot of dirt and grime from whatever you're doing during the day, or, and just from using the bathroom. It cleans your hands very well. And it comes in a bottle where you have to turn this on the top to, actually get it to work, It's at the down position usually when you first get it, and then you open it by turning it, and then the pump is activated, and then you're able to pump down and get your soap out. Yeah. These soft soaps are typically kind of lotions almost, a lot of soaps, when you wash your hands, leave your hands kind of dry, and it just dries your hands out, but these kind of help your hands stay soft. Now, you still kind of feel like they're, not as moist as if you put some lotion on afterwards, but it does feel a lot more, makes your hands a lot more soft than if you just used a regular hand soap or something like that, or a body soap. Yeah, so that's partially the reason I use it, because I like my hands to stay kind of not so crisp, or have these hard edges where it feels like you can strike a match on them. I've seen hands like that, and so I like to stay moisturized and my hands just kind of soft. So because that just is better, and the moisturizing agent in this soap kind of does that for me. Now, even though this kind of does that, I still put lotion on afterwards, but I can really tell the difference between this and the regular body soap or any other, just regular soap that you would get at any place, just regular soap. They've taken the time to actually try to make your skin feel nice and moisturized. It's really good. I've had the pleasure of trying about 3 or 4 different scents of the soft soaps, but like I said, the milk and the golden honey is my favorite of the ones that I've tried. It just really, really, makes your hands smell good. The soap also, the fragrance on it is not overwhelming. Sometimes you may get soaps that, oh man, they may smell good, but just too strong, and they linger, I don't need my soap to make my hands smell good for hours and hours, It should probably go away in about maybe 30 minutes. And that's good for me. I just need to know that it gives me that nice smell right after I wash them, and lets me know that, okay, your hands are clean and they smell nice right now. So yeah, that's the reason I like it. That's a real pet peeve with me, when the soap is just too strong. But this works very well. and I like it a lot. Okay, we've been talking about the SoftSoap Milk and Golden Honey fragrance. Alright, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.